my goodness. Woo. Hello everyone, welcome to Manny, Pagan Travel. I am currently in Culebra, Puerto Rico, and we are not in Flamenco Beach, okay? We've done many videos on Flamenco, and we'll probably include some of that here as well, but we are actually in the trailhead for Playa Resaca or Brava. Some people call it Brava, Resaca. And it's a hidden gem. Nobody really comes here because the waves are pretty strong. So it wouldn't be a beach where you're going to actually take a dip in, but it's really beautiful. I've seen it in very minimal pictures that are out there. So I definitely want to document this one and check it out, do something different. You know, we've been to Flamenco Beach many times, as I said before, but we want to check this out. So if you guys want to check out a hidden gem where you can actually have all the beach to yourself, then make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way we can push these videos out to YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Let's go check it out, guys. All right, so I am here with my beautiful wife and my beautiful baby daughter who's trying to get some type of sleep there. Look at her. She's so cute. But yeah, and we are pretty high up here. It was pretty sketchy to get up here, but in the GPS you'll put the trailhead and you'll be able to come all the way up here. Now technically we could take the Jeep down here, but I don't want to risk any damage and any part of not being able to come back up, which I don't think will be an issue, but don't want to scratch it up or anything. So I'm gonna leave it right there where I parked it, and this is where we start the trail. Now, from what I hear, is that this trail is going to take about 30 minutes to go down and can get a bit sketchy at some point. So we're gonna see, and we're gonna test it out to see if that's actually the case. But other than that, let's go down the hill. Okay, so sad to say, but I think we took the wrong way. We came up this hill, but it's still worth it to see this beautiful view. Look at this. That is gorgeous. That beach looks amazing. It needs to be explored. We have to go see it, man. We have to go see it. Like, how can we not? This is amazing. All right, so when you park to find the actual trail, I parked here. There's a gate right here, right? It's not there, it's actually here. You can't really see it much, or period, but this is the trail. You can tell it's a trail. Obviously, sneakers would be best for this trail. You know, there's gonna be probably some boulders along the way, but this is pretty much the only way to get there unless you have a boat. So, you know, you gotta be ready to walk, willing, have your drinks ready, all of that good stuff. So far, not bad. As you can see, they have some of these ribbons. Ooh, and I already tripped. I'm here carrying the lovely baby. But, you know what? So far, it's not really bad. I mean, like I said before, you are going to have to walk on top of some of these boulders, as my wife is doing at the moment. So again, sneakers, definitely best. I'm used to doing hikes like this all the time, and sandals and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, it is what it is, but yep. This was probably the worst of your worries. There are some boulders here that you can easily fall. And when you have your baby with you, which is probably not recommended to do this with a baby, yeah, there could be some accidents, God forbid. So just be careful with that. Nice tropical plants along the way. We are hearing the ocean louder as we continue going down, so that's always a good sign. And we continue seeing these red ribbons, so that's really good. And let me tell you guys, if that was the worst of the scenario here, this is not a hard trail or walk. This is pretty, honestly, it's basic level. Maybe for those of you that have, pains with knees and stuff like that, injuries from the past, that could definitely play a factor. But when you are still full of life, young and adventurous like we both are, then it won't be too bad, guys. I promise. Just be careful with these boulders and you'll be fine. It's okay, sweetie pie. It's okay. So, after those mountains, those boulders, I think we're at level now. So, now we have this tree garden that we have to go through. Just follow the red ribbons. It should get you there. All right, that was rough. I take it back, guys. I take it back. That was a rough hike. Not because it was difficult to do. You have to walk over boulders and stuff like that. But yes, it was. It was tough. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Do y'all see this? Incredible. And it's all ours. There's nobody here. Wow. This is incredible, guys. Incredible. This is a place I never thought that when we were up there in the hill, we were gonna find this like this. Or was it even worth it? This is absolutely worth it, 100%. All right, I am in awe of this place. Like, wow. I never thought that I was going to find a beach as beautiful or possibly better than Flamenco. The crappy part about it is you're gonna have to do that hike. But it's the hardest things that you need to do to accomplish in order to get to something like this, guys. This is incredible, incredible. I'm in love. I'm in love. The water is super clear, and we'll go there in a sec. I'm gonna dip in the water. There's no way I'm not gonna dip in this water. 100% dipping in there. And it's to ourselves. There's no one here. I am the new Culebra legend. Alright guys, it's time to check out the actual beach. Now it is a little rougher, but it's not rough enough for me to say, alright, I'm not going in it, alright? So let's check it out. I have my sunglasses on, but either way, we'll check it out. Man, crystal clear water, man, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Soft white sand, nothing to worry about. You don't need water shoes. This is a perfect beach. Perfect beach in the beautiful island of Culebra in Puerto Rico. And not many people know about this or ever will. Wow. Now, I want to go underwater, but these waves, they're coming. Let me see, let's check it out. it's not deep as you go in. The waves are bigger, but not really deep. It's the waves that make it seem deeper. Alright, I'm gonna try to out my glasses this time. Alright, let's go in. Puerto Rico. Alright, so it's time to go back. That incredible hike. I mean, like I said, it wasn't too bad. There were some boulders we had to climb over, but listen, man, it was well worth it. I just wish there was like a place to eat here. We are hungry, and we're gonna head to Flamenco. But man, I absolutely love this beach. I'm so glad I did the hike, and I'm never gonna forget it. Never. Last thing I do want to say, you're gonna come in here, you can swim here. Stay close to the shore, guys. Stay close to the shore. It's strong, it's fun. You want to surf here, fine. If that's all you want to do, just swim. Stay closer to the shore. It was pulling me at one point, so I had to use my extra strength legs to come back to shore. And it was pulling me further and further, so be very careful with that. I would say kids could be here if you stay in this area right here. If you stay there, you're gonna be just fine, and you'll have fun. The waves are nice, but back there, no, be careful. Alright, and of course, if you're coming to Culebra, if you're coming, you definitely need to go to Flamenco Beach. And this is one of the most beautiful beaches in all of the earth, and one of my favorites in all the world. I mean, what's not to love? Beautiful soft white sand, amazing crystal clear water. This looks amazing. Relaxing time. There you see my wife and the tent that we made for her. Well, for the baby, but takes advantage as well to stay there and be mom cup. And I'm just really grateful to God to be here. It's a wonderful place. It really, truly is a wonderful place. here. It's like the end of Christmas. Waters are looking really nice. No sargassum. None of that. Alright, I got my beautiful, my lovely daughter here, enjoying Flamenco Beach for the first time. I've come here since I was, 16 years old. Really enjoying this island as much as I could. And now it's her turn. This almost 10-month-old is here in Flamenco, and she's loving it. You love it? You love it? Huh?